The true heirs of the four kingdoms. In the 17th century, in a place called Rivendell, which is a cold place with a lot of nature, big trees, houses made in wood, a big forest, big castles, and several species of animals happen the events narrated in this story. There are four big families that govern in the citadel. Each family covers a kingdom. The villain of this story is called Logar, known as the Dark Lord. He has a big army and several weapons. He wants to reign all kingdoms, acquiring power and respect. He commands and creates battles and fights among families in way of achieving the command of all kingdoms. Unfortunately, in these battles, innocent people die and are victims of tortures and bad treatments because Logar looks for the power from the four kingdoms at any cost. One of the families is family Taylor. There is a boy called Shelton. He has a sister called Shania. She's a warrior. Since she was a child, she learned to fight with swords and knives. She learned how to use an arm and learned fighting techniques. These skills were so bad her father Silan, who was killed in a battle. When Shelton was 5 years old, he had an accident. He fell down from a horse and he could not walk again. Now he is 14 years old, and with the pass of time he developed a superpower. It's a gift. He can see things other people can't see, and also he can foresee the future and things that are going to happen. Shelton and Shania, they live with their mother Elaria in Rivendell. They care and protect each other of all life dangers. In a battle, the other three families are killed by Logar and his army reaching more power and lands. Shania, Shelton, and their mother Elaria speak about that the only way of survive them and Rivendell inhabitants is killing Logar. Shania says to Shelton, Logar doesn't know about your powers. That is an advantage and a strength that we have in our favor. When he comes to attack Rivendell, you tell me, Shelton says to Shania. Yes, you can kill him with your fighting skills. Before the final battle, Shania teaches some Rivendell people to fight and make Rivendell army more powerful to face Logar because she knows he's going to come to Rivendell to achieve the whole power and control of everything. Sheldon knows the exact day of Logar's final attack. He tells to Shania she is ready for that day. Logar arrives to Rivendell convinced that he's going to win, but his biggest mistake is that he doesn't know about Shelton's powers. In a great battle, Logar's army lost with Rivendell's army, and Shania kills Logar. The story finished with Shelton and Shania crowned as the true heirs of the four kingdoms. They live happy with their mother Elaria, bringing welfare, hope, and fairness to Rivendell people and their families. Moral of the story. The moral of this story is that always between good and evil is going to win good. When people make good things, they receive good rewards. Another moral that I find is that family is the most important in our lives and we should care and protect our family of all life dangers.